Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is SSC CGL 2018 Exam Paper 2019 Shift 2. Question number 1. TV remote controls work on the principle of underscore. Option A. Bluetooth technology. Option B. Infrared waves. Option C. Ultrasonic waves. Option D. Laser technology. The correct answer is Option B. Infrared waves. Actually, TV remote works on the principle of infrared waves. The press made by you is translated into an IR wave to give the signal to the sensor placed in the TV. This process is carried through the PCB, which has the necessary components such as chip, diodes, transistors, resistors, resonators, and so on. Question number 2. A sustained rise in the general price level in an economy is called underscore. Option A. Stagflation. Option B. Disinflation. Option C. Deflation. Option D. Inflation. The correct answer is Option D. Inflation. Inflation refers to the sustained or considerable rise in the general price level of goods and services over a period of time. Inflation is characterized by low purchasing power, as with an increase in the prices, few goods and services can be bought from each unit of the currency. Question number 3. Who founded the Indian Statistical Institute on the 17th of December 1931? Option A. M. H. Hanson. Option B. R. A. Fisher. Option C. F. Yates. Option D. P. C. Mahalanobis. The correct answer is Option D. P. C. Mahalanobis. The Indian Statistical Institute was founded by Professor P. C. Mahalanobis in Kolkata on 17th of December 1931. The institute gained the status of an institution of national importance by an act of the Indian Parliament in 1959. Question number 4. Kala Bhavana, founded in 1919, is a noted institution of education and research in visual arts. It is located in underscore. Option A. Uttar Pradesh. Option B. Bihar. Option C. Sikkim. Option D. West Bengal. The correct answer is Option C. Sikkim. The Kala Bhavana, founded in 1919, is the fine arts faculty of the Shantiniketan-based university, Vishwa Bharati. The entire university was established by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. It is considered to be India's premier school of education and research in the visual arts and brings in a large number of international students. Question number 5. In March 2019, who among the following was appointed as India's first Lokpal? Option A. Justice S. Bobde. Option B. Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Option C. Justice N. V. Ramna. Option D. Justice A. K. Sikri. The correct answer is Option B. Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Pinaki Chandra Ghosh, appointed as India's first Lokpal. India gets its first Lokpal 6 years after the passage of the Act. Former Supreme Court Judge Pinaki Chandra Ghosh was on March 19, 2019, appointed as India's first Lokpal, also known as the Anti-Corruption Ombudsman. Ghosh's appointment was approved by President Ramnath Kovind. Question number 6. Pramod Sawant became Chief Minister of which Indian state in March 2019? Option A. Tamil Nadu. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Goa. Option D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is Option C. Goa. The Pramod Sawant ministry came into existence on the 19th of March 2019. He was serving as the Speaker of the Goa Assembly before being sworn in as Chief Minister, after the death of the sitting Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Question number 7. Underscore is the study of the microanatomy of cells, tissues, and organs seen through a microscope. Option A. Entomology. Option B. Paleontology. Option C. Ichthyology. Option D. Histology. The correct answer is Option D. Histology. Histology is the study of the microanatomy of cells, tissues, and organs as seen through a microscope. It examines the correlation between structure and function. Question number 8. Who was appointed as the director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, for a period of 3 years in March 2019? Option: Vishwa Pavapati. Option B: Satyajit Rajan. Option C: Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Option D: Kamlesh Neelkanth Vyas. The correct answer is Option C: Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Ajit Kumar Mohanty appointed director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center March 7, 2019. The Ministry of Personnel has notified the appointment of Ajit Kumar Mohanty as director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center for the period of 3 years. Currently, he is the director, Physics Group in BARC and director, Sahai Institute of Nuclear Physics. Question number 9. The Government of India nominated a member of Niti Aayog to head the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, in March 2019. Option A: Vinay Ranjan Sen. Option B: Ramesh Chand. Option C: VK Paul. Option D: Amitabh Kant. The correct answer is Option B: Ramesh Chand. United Nations, India has nominated Niti Aayog member and agricultural economics and policy expert Ramesh Chand to lead a specialized agency of the United Nations focused on achieving food security for all. The Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, in a statement Monday, said that 5 candidates have been presented by FAO member countries for the post of Director General to be elected in June 2019. Question number 10. In March 2019, the Government of India appointed as the Director General of the National Archives of India. Option A: P.V. Ramesh. Option B: VK Paul. Option C: Vinay Sen. Option D: Kamlesh Vyas. The correct answer is Option A: P.V. Ramesh. P.V. Ramesh appointed as the Director General of the National Archives of India March 6, 2019. Comment: The Appointment Committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of P.V. Ramesh appointed as the Director General of the National Archives of India. Question number 11. In March 2019, India won 5 silver medals at the Makra Cup boxing tournament in Iran. Who among the following is not one of the silver medalists? Option A: Manish Kaushik. Option B: Duryodhan Singh Negi. Option C: P. Lalita Prasad. Option D: Deepak Singh. The correct answer is Option D: Deepak Singh. Deepak Singh wins gold at Makra Cup in boxing. Deepak Singh, 49 kilograms, national boxing champion, was the only Indian boxer who grabbed a gold medal at the Makra Cup in boxing. 5 others claimed silver medals in Chabahar, Iran. Deepak defeated Jafar Nasseri in the finals. Question number 12. Rust needs 3 components to occur, i.e., Option A: steel, iron and oxygen. Option B: helium, hydrogen and nitrogen. Option C: iron, nitrogen and moisture. Option D: iron, oxygen and moisture. The correct answer is Option D: iron, oxygen and moisture. A reddish or yellowish brown flaking coating of iron oxide that is formed on iron or steel by oxidation, especially in the presence of moisture. Question number 13. Who founded the Sayyid dynasty? Option A: Bahlul Khan. Option B: Nizam Shah. Option C: Khizar Khan. Option D: Muhammad bin Farid. The correct answer is Option C: Khizar Khan. The Sayyid dynasty was the 4th dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate, with 4 rulers ruling from 1414 to 1451. Founded by Khizar Khan, a former governor of Multan, they succeeded the Tughlaq dynasty and ruled the Sultanate until they were displaced by the Lodi dynasty. Question number 14. Was observed nationwide from 24th to 30th of April, 2019. Option A. World Tourism Week. Option B. World Immunization Week. Option C. World Environment Week. Option D. World Postal Week. The correct answer is Option B. World Immunization Week. World Immunization Week 2019 is being observed from 24 to 30 April with the theme Protected Together, Vaccines Work. World Immunization Week 2019 celebrates vaccine heroes from around the world, from parents and community members to health workers and innovators who help ensure we are all protected, at all ages, through the power of vaccines. Question number 15. Which of the following articles promotes equal justice and free legal aid for all the citizens? Option A. 39A. Option B. 43A. Option C. 32A. Option D. 48A. The correct answer is Option A. 39A. Article 39A of the Constitution of India provides that state shall secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity, and shall, in particular, provide free legal aid, by suitable legislation or schemes or in any other way, to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disability. Question number 16. Which of the following passes connects Tawang with Lhasa? Option A. Bamla Pass. Option B. Changkan Pass. Option C. Hapungan Pass. Option D. Kummajong Pass. The correct answer is Option A. Bamla Pass. The Bamla Pass is a border pass between Tibet's Kona County and India's Tawang district in Arunachal Pradesh. It is 37 kilometers away from the town of Tawang and 43 kilometers from the town of Kona. The pass currently serves as a trading point between Tawang and Tibet. It is also an agreed border personnel meeting point for the security forces of China and India. Question number 17. Created history in its second 2020 international against Ireland by achieving the highest ever T20 total at the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Option A. Pakistan. Option B. Australia. Option C. Afghanistan. Option D. India. The correct answer is Option C. Afghanistan. Afghanistan has created history in its second 2020 international against Ireland at the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Afghanistan scored 278 for the loss of 3 wickets in the 20 overs and registered the highest ever total in T20s. Afghanistan broke the record of Australia. Question number 18. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, is located in Option A. Uttar Pradesh. Option B. Nagaland. Option C. Arunachal Pradesh. Option D. Assam. The correct answer is Option D. Assam. Majuli Island. Jorhat Majuli is the biggest river island in the world, which is located on the Brahmaputra River in the state of Assam. This island is formed by the river Subansiri in the north and river Brahmaputra in the south. It has been known as the cultural capital of Assam ever since the 16th century. Question number 19. The invasion of Delhi by Taimur in _AD marked the end of the Tughlaq Empire. Option A. 1452. Option B. 1645. Option C. 1215. Option D. 1398. The correct answer is Option D. 1398. Taimur started his expedition from Kabul in August 1398 and reached Delhi in December 1398. On his way to Delhi, he captured and looted all the towns. Sultan Mahmud Shah, the last sultan of the Tughlaq dynasty, and his wazir, prime minister, fled from Delhi. Taimur ordered a general massacre and plunder which continued for 15 days. Question number 20. Is a scientific discipline concerned with the study of plant pollen, spores, and certain microscopic planktonic organisms. in both living and fossil form? Option A, ethnobotany. Option B, dendrology. Option C, paleobotany. Option D, palynology. The correct answer is option D, palynology. Palynology, scientific discipline concerned with the study of plant pollen, spores, and certain microscopic planktonic organisms, in both living and fossil form. The field is associated with the plant sciences as well as with the geologic sciences, notably those aspects dealing with stratigraphy, historical geology, and paleontology. Question number 21. Posh Mela displays local artists displaying folk dances, music, food, and culture of _. Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Uttarakhand. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, West Bengal. The correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Posh Mela is an annual fair and festival that takes place in Shantiniketan, in Birbhum district in the Indian state of West Bengal, marking the harvest season. Commencing on the 7th day of the month of Posh, the fair officially lasts for 3 days, although vendors may stay until the month end as per the university regulations. From 2017 onwards, the fair lasted for 6 days. The key characteristic of this fair includes live performances of Bengali folk music, such as Baul, Kirtan and Kobigan. Question number 22. _ is a branch of zoology concerned with the study of amphibians. Option A, ethology. Option B, morphology. Option C, mammalogy. Option D, herpetology. The correct answer is option D, herpetology. Herpetology, meaning reptile or creeping animal, is the branch of zoology concerned with the study of amphibians, including frogs, toads, salamanders, newts, and caecilians, gymnophila, and reptiles, including snakes, lizards, amphisbaenids, turtles, terrapins, tortoises, crocodilians, and the tuataras. Question number 23. _ in Himachal Pradesh is a famous tourist attraction. Option A, Rotang Pass. Option B, Changla Pass. Option C, Aghil Pass. Option D, Mintaka Pass. The correct answer is option A, Rotang Pass. A very popular tourist destination near Manali, Rotang Pass is also known as Rotang La. Located at an altitude of around 4,000 meters from sea level, Rotang is famous amongst tourists as a place to see snow around the year. Question number 24. Who among the following was one of the governors during the reign of Alauddin Khilji? Option A, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Option B, Shamsuddin Iltutmish. Option C, Jalaluddin Khilji. Option D, Nasiruddin Mahmud. The correct answer is option A, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghazi Malik, or Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, was the governor of Tripalpur in Punjab under Alauddin Khilji. When Khilji's sons proved incapable of holding power, he orchestrated a coup and became the Sultan. Ghiyasuddin chose the rocky site for Tughlaqabad so it would be easy to defend. Question number 25. Which of the following passes is known as the gateway connecting Jammu and Srinagar? Option A, Changla Pass. Option B, Banihal Pass. Option C, Aghil Pass. Option D, Lanakla Pass. The correct answer is option B, Banihal Pass. Banihal. At a glance, Banihal has always been known as the gateway connecting Jammu and Srinagar, which was made famous by the 2.5 kilometers long Jawahar Tunnel and now the Banihal-Kazigund Rail Tunnel, India's longest and the third longest in Asia. Another 4-line tunnel is under construction, now in the final stages. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.